cathedral echoing pain. My prayers were whispers, lost in the night. No God to answer, no spark, no light. The mirror was shattered, I bled from the glass. Every reflection a ghost from the past. I begged for silence, I begged for release, but shadows kept dancing, denying me peace. Then you came, a storm without name, a fire untamed, a sin without shame. Two broken creatures undone, undone. Two souls colliding, becoming one. Your touch was poison, sweet on my skin, a serpent's promise, a holy sin. I drank your darkness, I swallowed your flame, and nothing remained of the girl I became. Your breath was thunder, your eyes were knives, cutting the marrow, reviving my life. I fell in your hunger, I drowned in your kiss, a grave resurrected, a moment of grace. Then you came, a storm without name, a fire untamed, a sin without shame. Two broken creatures undone, undone. Two souls colliding, becoming one. The night was bleeding, but dawn broke through. Your arms were the altar I clung myself to. No angels singing, no saints in disguise, just flesh and devotion, redemption in lies. I stitched my wounds with the threads of your breath. I carved out life from the silence of death. The scars became scripture, the pain became art. You wrote salvation across my heart. Your voice was a hymn, though twisted and raw, a gospel of hunger, a covenant law. We worshipped in shadows, we prayed in the fire, our bodies the temple, our sin the choir. Every sigh was confession, every moan was decree, every touch was a scripture rewriting me. I was broken, forgotten, a ghost in the rain, but you kissed me to life, you baptized my pain. And then you came, a storm without name, a fire untamed, a sin without shame. Two broken creatures undone, undone. Two souls colliding, becoming one. but in our corruption I found my cure. Your lips are the gospel, your hands are the creed, your body the scripture my soul will read. No heaven above us, no hell below, just the rhythm of flesh, the pulse we know. We burn in the silence, we bleed in the flame, two souls unholy yet one and the same. I was a ruin, a tomb, a scar. You lit the candles, you shattered the bars. Now I am endless, now I am whole. You are the sinner who gave me a soul. We are the covenant, broken yet true. The world may condemn us, but I worship you. In every whisper, in every sigh, we are eternal, we never die. Then you came, a storm without name, a fire untamed, a sin without shame. Two broken creatures undone, two souls colliding, becoming one. So let the heavens curse our embrace, let angels weep at the love we face. For in your arms I am finally free. Two souls unholy, yet holy to me.